Once upon a time, in a small Indian village, there lived two young and ambitious cousins named Raj and Vikram. They were best friends and had big dreams of becoming the most prosperous men in their village. One day, fate smiled upon them when the village elders decided to hire two men to carry water from the nearby river to the village square. Raj and Vikram were chosen for the task, and they set out with buckets in hand to fetch water. By the end of the day, they had filled the village cistern, and the elders rewarded them with 1 rupee for each bucket of water. Delighted, Vikram exclaimed, "Oh Raj, this is our golden chance. We can make a fortune carrying water." But Raj, his mind already racing with ideas, was not so sure. His hands were blistered and his back ached from the heavy load. He knew there had to be a better way. The next day, Raj shared his plan with Vikram. Instead of toiling endlessly with buckets, he suggested building a pipeline from the river to the village. Vikram was skeptical. A pipeline? That's unheard of. Why change a good thing? We earn well with the buckets. But Raj was not one to be easily discouraged. He began working on the pipeline during his spare hours, digging a ditch in the rocky soil with every ounce of strength he could muster. It was back-breaking work, and he knew his income would suffer initially, but he believed in the long-term gain. As Raj dug the pipeline day after day, inch by inch, he chanted motivating mantras to himself. "Inch by inch, it's a cinch," he would say, "and short-term pain equals long-term gain." He remained focused on his dream, even as the villagers mocked him, calling him Raj, the pipeline builder. Vikram, on the other hand, enjoyed the temporary rewards of his bucket-carrying job. He bought luxuries, indulged in pleasures, and became the talk of the village. But as the months passed, his shoulders stooped and his enthusiasm disappeared. The repetitive labor left him tired and resentful. Then, the day came when water gushed through the pipeline into the village cistern, transforming the village into an oasis of prosperity. Raj, the pipeline man, had become Raj, the miracle maker. The once mocking villagers now praised him for his vision and ingenuity. Witnessing Vikram's struggles, Raj approached him with a business proposition. He offered to teach Vikram the art of building pipelines and creating a network of such systems across the region. Raj knew that working together, they could multiply their success manyfold. Finally understanding the vision, Vikram embraced the opportunity to change his life. They expanded their pipeline business, reaching out to others and creating a ripple effect of prosperity. They faced resistance from some who preferred the familiar ways, but they persisted, knowing that true progress came from embracing change. Years passed, and Raj and Vikram retired as wealthy men. They continued to share their wisdom with the next generation, offering opportunities to those who dared to dream big. This story tells us that we can build passive income while doing our 9-to-5 job. It also tells us that the problem with bucket-carrying job is that the money stops when the bucket carrying stops. As there is a saying that knowledge is power, but applying that knowledge is superpower. So, let's apply this knowledgeable story and achieve financial freedom in life. I hope you have learned something from this story. If you enjoyed it and want to stay updated with similar knowledgeable stories, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.